Welcome to the video. In today's video, we will learn a powerful remedy which can be done when moon passes through the constellation of Uttara Phalguni. Especially in the month between mid-March to mid-April, moon passes through the Uttara Phalguni constellation on the festival of Holi. There is a very important precaution associated with this remedy, so please watch the full video. According to ancient Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva got engaged to Parvati on the Purva Phalguni Nakshatra, when moon was passing through the constellation of Purva Phalguni. During the Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, Lord Shiva and Parvati got married. It's widely believed that among all the 27 nakshatras, Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra is the best nakshatra for marriage. In the month between mid-March to mid-April, the Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra coincides with the festival of Holi. In that particular month, the Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra also happens to be the full moon. It's exactly on this day when full moon coincided with the Uttara Phalguni constellation. Not only Lord Shiva, even Lord Vishnu and Mahalakshmi got married on this particular day, when full moon coincided with Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. Not only Lord Vishnu, even Lord Kartikeya married his two wives Valli and Devsena on the day when full moon coincided with Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. It's believed in South India that goddess Mahalakshmi was born on the day when full moon coincided with Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. Even in the famous epic Ramayana, Lord Rama and Sita got married on the day when full moon coincided with Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. Even the celestial king Indra got married to Indrani on the day when full moon coincided with Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. And also the moon, Chandra, got married to the 27 nakshatras on Uttara Phalguni full moon day. Even during Krishna Avatar, Lord Krishna took Rukmani with him on the full moon Uttara Phalguni day. This is the reason why divine marriage ceremonies are being conducted in all South Indian temples on this day. Whether it's a Shiva temple or Vishnu temple or Ram temple or Kartikeya temple, you will find divine marriage ceremonies being held in all South Indian temples on the day when full moon coincides with Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. During these divine marriage ceremonies, many South Indian couples prefer to get married at the same time in the temples. So, the best day for performing any remedies for marriage is Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, which coincides with full moon. So remember this, Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra is a very powerful nakshatra. If you do any remedy out of wrong intentions during this particular nakshatra, your destruction will be certain. So, you can do remedies only for marriages that are socially accepted. Please avoid doing this remedy for unacceptable relationships. If you try to do remedy for unacceptable relationships, your destruction will be certain. Before I tell you the remedy, I request you to subscribe to this channel. You can learn Vedic astrology and remedies in easy way by subscribing to this channel. You will definitely find this channel to be useful. If you are a married person facing problems in life, you can get rid of those problems by doing this remedy. If you are a single looking for a good partner, then this remedy is also for you. But remember, I am repeating this warning again. Don't ever do this remedy for extramarital affairs. This remedy is only for legally and socially acceptable relationships. Now let's learn about the remedy. Whenever you do any remedy, you should always start with a prayer to Lord Ganesha. No remedy will give you full effect if you don't pray to Lord Ganesha in the beginning. So, on the day of Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra, please start your fasting with a prayer to Lord Ganesha. After you start your fasting with a prayer to Lord Ganesha, you should fast and pray to Lord Shiva and Parvati together as a couple. So remember this, you have to pray to God in a couple's form. Alternatively, you can also pray to Lord Kartikeya and his two wives, Valli and Devasena. There is also an alternate way. On Uttara Phalguni day, start your fast with a prayer to Lord Ganesha. After praying to Lord Ganesha, you can fast and pray to Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi together as a couple. For a single person, this remedy will help to find a good spouse. For married couples, this remedy will help to increase the affection and bonding between them. After doing this remedy, the married couple can spend time together. Please don't misuse this remedy. I am telling this for your own safety.